Today we are going to learn how to boost our ads on Facebook, to be precise. So we are just quickly going to go to our page. So we'll just set our page, that is Smarter Babies. So it's already popped up here. So we go to our page, Smarter Babies, and then after you have posted the ad, like we said, the content of the ad, the script is going to be among the scripts. So you just have to copy it from the script and edit it to suit what you are doing, and then you promote it. So this is an example. This is the ad we created in the first video. So we are just going to go a little bit down. When you scroll on the ad, you see boost here. You just click on the boost. There are two main ways of promoting an ad. This is the simplest form, which will teach for everybody to be able to understand. So you can see the goal of the ad, the first one right after the blue bar. This account is one of my accounts, which is actually in depth, which we'll talk about how to make payments on Facebook. So if you're already boosted and then you are in depth, it will limit you from boosting again because you have to settle the old amount before. But for training purposes, we'll still use it so that you understand how to create your ad. So when you come here, you would see Go, which is automatic, get more engagement and get more messages. It's always advisable you either go for get more engagement or get more messages. So we just go for get more messages, and then after making that selection, you see the next one talks about special ad category. Either you are going to be receiving more from messaging apps, whether your Messenger or your WhatsApp, and we always prefer to be Messenger. If you want WhatsApp, you just have to connect it. Okay, set up your system to connect with WhatsApp so that at the end of the day, when they are going to reach out, they can WhatsApp you. So the moment the person clicks on it, takes them straight away to WhatsApp. And if it's the Messenger as well, when they message your Messenger, it will come into your Messenger, and then they can receive an immediate response or reply as to how to reach out to you. So you can set a welcome message, okay, which is stated here. You can see, hi Ra, please let us know how we can help you. So this is the message that when the person clicks on message, this is the first thing they will receive. So we can edit it. Okay, so we just go to edit, then you just tap on the message here. Okay, just tap on the message, welcome people, that starts conversations with you. So once you tap on it, you can write the message, the greeting message. Okay, hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. So I usually go like, kindly message or call us, or kindly WhatsApp. Kindly WhatsApp. Kindly WhatsApp or call us on 054 so for more information. For more information. So the moment the person writes hi, types anything, this is the first message they are going to receive. Then I go to a save. Do you get it? These are frequently asked questions. I usually don't work with them. Now the other, you can explore, play with it, get to know more about it, try it out, and then you understand. Most of it is basic and is simple to understand. Now the next thing we are going to look at is the audience. This is the technical place, okay, the audience. And at the audience session, we will just go to edit. So we are going to edit and then select our audience. And in selection of our audience, you can see region and then address. So you have to change your location to wherever you are. If you are in Ghana, if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Togo, if you are in South Africa, or UK or Tanzania, you choose your location by tapping on the location, and then the country you come, then you type your country. If it's Nigeria, the moment you type, it's going to pop up. You see Nigeria popping up there, you just tap on it. If it's Ghana, you select it. Because it's already on Ghana, that's why I left it. Then very important, you choose your characteristics. Okay, the characteristics, the characteristics of the customers or potential customers that your ad will catch or fetch. So those who are likely to be interested in your learning materials that you are promoting. So once we come here, you can just type off head what you think, but appropriately you can do this as well. You can go to browse for interest, but let me give you some basic interests you can look out for, which will help. We have parents. These are some simple interests that you will get. Parents, so you can see parents, all parents, or parents who have children between 0 to 12 months, parenting. So I take all parents. Then I go for married couples or mothers, because I like targeting the female because they are more peculiar with their children. So single mothers or motherhood, do you get it? Then I can go for family or married people, or people who like shopping. Family, married. You can put up to about 10, do you get it, of different kinds of people who are parents, people who are mothers, people who have family, who are building family, people who are married, people who are interested in learning materials for children. So people who are interested in toys, I can put it there, kids toys. You get a kids films. So anything you type is going to give you suggestion of a category or characteristics of some of the clients. So let's say I just choose kids, okay. Or this is one way you go through some of these things. You can also go for people who are shopping, who like shopping and stuff. So you can also go to browse interest. You can see it here. Browse interest. So at the browse interest section, we are going to have different industries, okay. So you can play around with these industries to see the ones that are more productive for you, and then you can focus on them. So there's business and industry, entertainment. I usually prefer the family and relationships. So once I go to family and relationships, you can see we have dating, we have family, we have fatherhood, friendship, marriage, mothers. So if I want to pick up an entire demography, I just click on the plus, it will add up. Do you get it? But you can dig deeper to be more specific. If I want friendship, which kind of friendship, I just have to. So these ones, once you click on it, it gives you the whole category. Do you get it? There are some that you can be able to choose specific categories within. So this one is like entertainment. So when I click on entertainment, you can see where there is this arrow. It means that there is more division or specifications within that I can select. So example, if I choose entertainment and I go for television programs, parents who like entertainment and they like television programs, what kind of television programs that I think a lot of parents would be watching? They will be watching reality shows. So I can go for reality shows. I can go for maybe TV comedies and add them. Do you get it? So you can explore through the options, and then you select as many as possible. 5, 10 I think will be the max, okay. Well, sometimes it allows you to choose. Well, let me see how many do you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you see, sometimes you have more, sometimes you have less. So we just save. Very important here is the age. The next most important thing, you have to choose people who are potential parents, averagely, let's say from 25 and above, okay. And then I prefer to keep this be 60 years and above, so you can have some grandparents buying for their children and stuff. And here the gender, I have tried for men and I've tried for women, and women has always proven very productive as compared to the men. So it seems like the women are more caring when it comes to the educational concerns of their children. They like to invest more into their children. They are more connected and more sensitive with their child as compared to their husband or their fathers. So it's more productive when you are making ads and you target the women. So then after selecting the women, I just come to save audience. So once I save audience, then I come here, which is what? My budget. Okay, the budget simply means the total amount I'm going to spend, and then I'm going to select the number of days. So let's assume what I usually advise people is between $20 to $25 for 4 or 5 days. Try to spend at least $5 a day. If you really want to do business and get results, try to do it at least $5 a day. So I'm going to choose my amount, which is $5 a day. Okay, then I'm going to choose my number of days. I'm going to choose my amount, which is going to be, my budget is going to be $20. $20 means that I want to throw my ad for 4 days. Okay, so I have to select my days. You can see 5 days here, so I have to just reduce it by 1, so it becomes 4 days. So it will tell you, the ad will tell you itself, summarize it here. You will spend $5 per day for these 4 days. It will tell you spend $5 per day for these 4 days. So that is it. So now my ad is set. Then I just go to boost. So once I press on the boost, the ad is going to boost. Okay, but because this is for a training purpose, I will not be boosting. So you can click on the boost, and then once you click on the boost, if it is your first time, it's going to prompt you to put in your credit card details. So the credit card details is going to ask of you is your full name, that is the name on the credit card, or the Visa card, or the MasterCard, or the AfriCard. Okay, the name on it, and then the full number of the card. Okay, every card has a Visa number or credit card number or debit card number, and then the next one is going to ask you of the private or the secret code. Is usually 3 or 4 digits that is normally written behind the card. Okay, you see it written sometimes in some space, the dash, and they write the last 3 or 4 digits. So you can, that is the secret number, and then you also need the expiry date of the credit card. And then once you put those details, and then you continue to boost, it's going to take a few seconds to load, and then once it's picked, it's going to start running the ad, and the ad will run for the number of days, and Facebook will be deducting you according to the work that has been done.